Welcome back to my channel. Now we want to work on the oblique cabinet projections of this object. So the dimensions that are used for the isometric projection is what I'm using for the oblique cabinet projections of this. So let's start and see how it could be done. And don't forget that when it comes to the oblique cabinet projection, so the length of the receding line will be divided into two, then we'll draw half of it, so don't forget that. So what I need to do first is to draw a horizontal line like this, and then I'm going to take my 45 degrees set square. We're using our 45 degrees set square in this case. So with 45 degrees set square, so I'm going to draw the receding line in this direction. Okay, so at this point I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. So here I will draw a vertical line, and then so I'm going to take a measurement of 40 millimeters. So it's only the receding line that we divide into two, so every other dimension of the object will remain as they are given. Okay, so here I will draw a vertical line. Okay, so the length of the receding line now originally is 80 millimeters, so I'm going to take it as 40 millimeters. So it will be 40 millimeters here now for cabinet of the projection. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so then the height is 40, so it's 40 millimeters. So here I will take 40 millimeters. So I need to extend this a bit and also extend this a little bit. Okay, so then with my 45 degrees set square, I will transfer this point so to the front here. Okay, so then I'm going to draw horizontal line at this point. Also at this point I will draw horizontal line. So then, so this point I will transfer it onto this line here, like this. Okay, so now, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to so I will take a measurement of 10 millimeters here on this line, and also I will take 10 millimeters here on this line. Then so instead of 10 that we took on the isometric, so it becomes 5 now. But before that, so I need to work on this part. So distance from here to here, I took it as 30, so it becomes 15 millimeters now. So it becomes 15 millimeters, so I will take it as 15 millimeters. So this is 15 millimeters here. So I'm going to transfer this point, so I transfer it here to this side like this. Okay, so because we are taking it on the receding axis, so that's why we need to divide it into two, so don't forget that. But if I'm to take any dimension here, it remains as given. So then so I took this distance, so from here to here, so I took it as 18 millimeters, so it remains 18 millimeters here on the cabinet oblique view. So it remains 18 millimeters. As I said, that we are not going to do anything with that dimension given to us. So here I draw this line like this. So then I'm going to join this point. So this point here, I will join it together with this point. Okay, so then I will also join these points. I will join them together like this. Alright, so now, so let's go and work on this part, here. So then it is 30 millimeters. We took it as 30 millimeters there in the isometric, so it becomes 5 now. It becomes 5. So I will take 5 millimeters. So from here to this point here. So and then so from here again, I'll just take 5 millimeters. So this is 5 millimeters. So I'm going to transfer these points, so I will transfer them to this side. So this also I will transfer this to this side, and then so then I will draw from here. I will draw from here. So from here to here, I will also draw from here to here, like this. So at this point, I'm going to draw a vertical line. vertical line goes down like this on this point. Okay, so at this point also I will draw a vertical line like this. Also at this point I will draw a vertical line. So there is a line at this point, so I think it will coincide with this, or it will. Okay, so then so I will draw a line at this point, so it's just an horizontal line, so it goes like this. Okay, so what we just need is to work out what we have here on this surface. So when we're working this out, we use 15 millimeters. So I use 15 millimeters for this. So as I said, so dimensions I'm using, I just put my own dimensions here because I can't see these dimensions given, though they said dimensions are given in centimeters, so I can't see them. So that's why I just use the dimension that I want. Okay, so when you are doing your own, please use the dimensions given to you in the work. Okay, all right. So then so this 40 I'm going to divide into 2, so that is 20. So and I'll also do it up here, so divide this 40 into 2, so we have 20. So then I'm going to take 5 millimeters, so 5 millimeters to this side and 5 millimeters to this side. So coming down here, I will also do the same. So I will take 5 millimeters to the left and 5 millimeters to the right side. So here I'm going to draw so a line like this. So then I will draw a line like this here. So if I divide 15 by 2, that will give me what? That will give me 7.5. Just use 8 millimeters. 8 millimeters. So I'll use 8 millimeters. So this is 8 millimeters. So I will transfer it to this side like this. Okay, so then at this point I'm going to draw a vertical line, and here also I will draw a vertical line. So at this point here I will draw a vertical line. Okay, so then so with my 45 degrees set square I will draw this a line from this point, so it goes in to touch this. Then I'm going to draw horizontal line from where they intersect. So the object is already there. So what I need to do now is to bring out the visible outline. So I'm going to pause the video and do that. This is the cabinet of the drawing of the objects, as simple as I've done it. All you need to do is to practice. When practice, you become a master at it. Thank you and God bless you.